Dear secondary students, welcome to your new course, Upstream B2 Plus. Now I am going to explain for you Unit 1, Crossing Barriers. This unit speaks about communication. Now I am going to present the most important vocabulary mentioned in your textbook. Communication in the past was difficult and different from communication nowadays as follows. There are different ways of communication such as yelling, and this happens when you are very upset about something. Weeping, when you have bad marks at school, as an example. Whistling, when you are happy. Yawning, when you are tired and want some sleep. Some of us don't know the difference between say, tell, speak, and talk. You can read the following to stop this confusion. The phrasal verbs mentioned in Unit 1 are as follows. Now we are going to move to the grammar course of Unit 1. I'll start with the articles a, an, and the to know the use of each. And now the difference between to and enough. Finally, I am going to present for you the determiners. And now we are going to start Unit 2, Moods and Feelings. Now is the turn for the main vocabulary mentioned in this unit. Some extreme adjectives. Now we are going to move to idioms and fixed phrases. Phrasal verbs with up and down. Dear students, now it's your turn to check your understanding through this exercise. And now your grammar course for Unit 2. We are going to start with the present simple tense. Second part in the grammar course is the present continuous tense. Now we are going to discuss used to plus infinitive and how to use this form. Verb to be plus used to plus the ing. Get used to plus the gerund. Finally, the form of used to in the question and the negative form. Dear students, now we are going to move to Unit 3, Making a Living. Making a living means how to earn the money necessary for your needs. These are the most important vocabulary related to the text in your student book. Phrasal verbs related to money. The idioms and fixed phrases mentioned in Unit 3 which are related to money. Now, dear students, we are going to move to the grammar course for Unit 3. Part 1 speaks about the uses of infinitive and gerund. Part 2, the reported speech, reported questions, and comments. Now, part 2 speaks about the reported speech. We have the reported questions and the reported commands and orders. Dear students, welcome to Upstream B2 Plus Unit 4. Make yourself at home. You use this expression when you have a visitor in your house and you want to welcome him and make him feel relaxed and comfortable. Dear students, here are the most important vocabulary mentioned in Unit 4. Now the phrasal verbs. The fixed phrases mentioned in this unit which are related to home. And now the idioms with home. The grammar course for Unit 4 speaks about the present perfect simple and the present perfect continuous. To form the present perfect simple, we use has or have plus the past participle of the main verb of the sentence. Time adverbials with the present perfect: since, for, just, already, ever, yet, and still. To form the present perfect continuous, we use has or have been plus the main verb plus the ing. And here are the uses of this tense. And now we are going to move to Unit 5, which is the last unit for the first term. This unit is called Modern Living. Here are the vocabulary mentioned in Unit 5. Now you are going to learn asking for personal views with some examples mentioned here. There is a text in your course book which is called Reality Show Fever. These are the vocabulary mentioned in this text. Now we are going to move to the idioms and fixed phrases. And now the phrasal verbs. The grammar course in Unit 5 speaks about adjectives and adverbs. Now, adjectives. How to form the superlative adjectives and the comparative adjectives with some examples mentioned here to make it easy for you to understand. And now we are going to learn about the uses of adverbs and how to transform an adjective into an adverb.